What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today, we gonna go over Thursday's game plan. So guys, before we do that, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. So guys, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's see if we got anything that'll rock the markets tomorrow. And as you see, Thursday, we got initial jobless claims at 8:30, U.S. trade deficits at 8:30. That's just something for you to pay attention to. But we know how to react when we get the data drops. We sit back, we chill, we wait for a clear direction, and then we pounce on that thing. Without further ado, first ticker up, we're going to do Palantir, newbies and beginners. Where y'all at? We're going to go ahead and grind it out. As you see, they had that little run up this morning. They popped this thing to 71.40 and then they came back down. Guys, I often say when these plays are making all-time highs, it don't matter if it's Palantir, Nvidia, Tesla, SPY, sit back, let the bulls do what they're going to do to the upside. I wouldn't be jumping into calls because you don't know what it's going to do up there in those all-time highs. You don't know. As soon as you buy that call, you get that major rug pull. Let it make some history up there. Let it do the retest and all that good stuff. And then we get into it and we jump on that play and ride it up. Right now, all the plays are booming. They making these all-time highs and they giving us some pullback. Now we got some data in the high area where we can track and be able to follow that play to those higher levels. Sit back, be patient, and wait for the clear direction before you pounce into a play, because if not, all you doing is going to give up your money or get caught in premium burn and still end up taking the L at the end of the day because you FOMO, you didn't want to miss out because you seen it at this level right here and it just chopped. And that if you see this area right here, in Palantir, they chopped right there, and then they drop. Boom. And we can look at it on a different way. If we go to the SPY chart, you'll see the chop and then the boom. But guys, be patient. These plays will pan out. They will show up. You got to be patient. Patience is the name of the game. If you are a bull, what you want to see is this 70-12, 70-10 area get taken out. They can take out that area right there. They coming back to this stuff at 70-80, and then boom, we coming back to 71.40, and they're going to try to run this thing even higher. It's crazy to see Palantir getting down like this. If you are a bear, what you want to see is 69.55 get taken out. They can take out that area right there. You got 69.10 on that. And then you got this stuff down here at 68.65. They break through that. You're going to come into this little area right here at 68 even. And then this will be a heavy level at 67.30. There you go. Some levels in Palantir. Next ticker up is going to be WMT. I called out this play earlier today. Guys, if you in my Discord, you seen this play and you should have known how to react on this play and make money. They have been riding up since before Black Friday, slowly riding up. You see, we were somewhere down here at 93.05. They ran this thing all the way up to 94.50. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 94.55 get taken out. They can take out that. They're going to try to start booming this thing to $95 and higher. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this area right in here at 94.25 get taken out. They can take out that area right there. You got this stuff in here at 94 even, and then you got 93.75, and they're going to slowly start trying to bring this stuff back. So there you go. In Walmart, last but not least, for newbies and beginners, you got SMCI. This is another one. Like I said, this one can run up real good, make you a lot of money, but it can drop real good too. So got to have them stop loss in place. That way you don't let this one take you out in either direction. So they're sitting at 41.80 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see 42.50 get taken out. They can take out 42.50. Boom, we coming up to 44.50. So if you are a bear, what you want to see this level right here at 4110 get taken out. They can take out 4110. You got this area of turbulence at 4065, and then boom, you got 3980. They start losing that. You got this stuff over here at 3880, and then boom, we coming down to 3710. So I expect this one to still give us a little bit more on the upside. But again, we play what we see. If it start going in a different direction, we know how to pull out of that thing and repivot. So that's all I got for the newbies and beginners, big ballers, shot callers. Y'all come up to the table. I got a couple for you guys. We're going to do it a little different. Getting a lot of requests for Exxon Mobil. So guys, y'all go ahead and pull out your notepads and let's go ahead and get some levels down in this ticker here. So if you see they're sitting at 114.30, if you are a bull, you want to see this level at 114.70 get taken out. They can take out 114.70. You got this little stuff right in here that they're going to try to run it up to 115.20. They break through that. Boom. You come into 115.80. And they break through 115.80, they're going to try to run this thing all the way back up to 116.40 and higher. If you are a bear, simple. You want to see them knock out these bottoms right here at 113.90. They can knock out 113.90. They coming back down even lower. We'll handle Exxon Mobil in real time once they start taking out those areas. Next ticker up is going to be Nvidia. You see, they had a heck of a day too. Look at this run up. Man, this run up is crazy. I had a play in the Discord. If you took those calls right there, shout out to you guys for being patient and executing that play. Champagne bottles in the air for you guys because we had a play out there. And Nvidia, you already know that thing dominated. They're sitting at 144.75 right now. If you are a bull, what you want to see is 145.75 get taken out. They can take out that area. We're going to keep riding. If you are a bear, what you want to see is this little middle piece right here get taken out, 143.80. Next level down, boom, we coming down to 143.20. Got some turbulence right in here, but you lose 142.85. Next level down is 142.30. More turbulence, but here's where you want to see 142 even get taken out. Take out that. Boom, 140.70 is on deck. So again, Nvidia will do the same with that as XOM. We'll be on it in real time once it starts violating those areas. Last but not least, we got SPY up. You see the play I had out in SPY. We sat there and they chopped in that area. They chopped. They gave us that pullback before the springboard. Boom. And that's what they did. They gave us that pullback right down to about 605.20 and then lift off. Boom. Ran that thing up to 607.95. So guys, with this one right here, if you are a bull tomorrow, what you want to see this area at 607.90 get taken out. They break through that area right there. You likely gonna have a heavy level at 608.25-ish. Ideally, where they might find some reaction at. But you know, it's again, these are uncharted territory. We do not know what's gonna happen up there. I personally is not buying calls in SPY tomorrow until they give us some levels up top. I want to see them run this thing to 610, give us some levels and get smacked back down to 605. Now I know what it's going to do once it gets to those higher levels. Then I know how to pounce and dominate it. So same thing with you guys. At the end of the day, you do you, but the safer play to me would be let it make some levels up there for us to be able to study. So if you are a bear, what you want to see is this area right here. This stuff in here get taken out, 607 even. They break that. They coming back down to this stuff down in here where they chopped at. Right in here, 606.50 through 606.30. That turbulence area there, they start losing that. Hello, boom. We coming all the way back down to 605.20. They lose this area right here, 604.90. They coming back down in here to 604.20 before it start getting nasty. But you already know with the SPY, I got you on SPY. We gonna walk that thing down the entire session tomorrow. And if it start trying to do something, you already know we'll be on it. So, all right, guys, I got one more for you, a bonus play. Ticker symbol Rblx. Shout out to Pretty Hustle for putting this out there for you small account holders, you guys that want to make a lot of money but don't want to spend a lot of money. This ticker is for you. So they're sitting at 54.55. What you want to see them, open higher than 54.70. They do that, you're gonna see $55. If you are a bear, what you want to see them open lower than 54.30. They can do that. Next level down is going to be 54 even. Then you got this stuff down here at 53.60. What you really want to see, if you're looking for a down play, you want to see this shelf level at 53.30 get taken out. They can take out that. Boom, you coming back down to 52.60 and lower to this area right here, 52.20. We'll handle that one in real time. I'll make sure I add this one as part of my announcements tomorrow morning. That way you guys can follow along with this one. Again, shout out to Pretty Hustle for putting that on the radar. I love it when people are out there helping others to see the light. That's a beautiful thing. So shout out to you for that. You already know, if you rock with me in the Discord, we already throwing the levels out there. I think I had one to that Nvidia to the upside, holding above 142.80. Give us that test at 143.10. This is panning out exactly how I called it in last night's video. Guys, I always tell you guys, if you dial into the YouTube channel, that's free game. If you dialing into that, I'm calling out those levels, and more than likely the next day's trading session, you see those levels get taken out. They pan out throughout the session, and simply all you have to do is sit back and watch that video, jot down a couple notes. You already know where the play is going. So you know once it violated that area, it's going to keep popping to the next level, make you some money, dominate on this. So guys, Palantir had their run up, but again, what goes up must come down. But how far it come down, we can chart that. But again, Palantir, they're super bullish. They're super bullish. You might get a little bit of pullback, but that's okay. That's what tickers do. When they running and they booming, they getting so high, you know, they need that cool off period before their next rocket ship back up. So just don't get caught jumping into puts and not trimming down profits where you can. I hate to see you get smoked when you don't need to. The trend is your friend until it's not. So, all right, guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord by clicking that link in the top right side of your screen. And hey, the first 7 days are free. So what do you got to lose? Get in there, 7 days. If it ain't your cup of tea, then, you know, no harm, no foul. Still love you. We still out here grinding. So if you like this kind of content, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you stay on top of these dynamite plays. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.